A second approach to conceptualize reliability is to see it as a lack of measurement error, right? Measurement error can inflate or deflate score artificially, and therefore they would affect different people in different ways, right? So we can also say that reliability is the extent to which error variance is minimal in comparison with the variance of observed scores. So then when we interpret those error variances, we could say this. When the error variance is small, when compared to the observed score variance, then the reliability is high. And when the error variance is small, it also implies that the error affecting the score of one person is not very different from the error affecting another person's score. And similarly, when a questionnaire would be revised to get better consistency, you can notice that measurement error accounts for a lower degree of the variance in observed scores. So an example, if there was no error variance, then that it would imply that 100% of the observed variance in test score is associated with a true test score, and the test would be perfectly reliable. So you see here, it's a bit of a different way of thinking of reliability, coming mainly from the error variance perspective.